Hey friends, this is Sahil from Tech Paradigm, and in this video we'll cover some amazing apps for your Android phone. In this video we'll cover apps from camera, wallpapers, productivity, games and screen locker. So without further ado, let's get started. The first app on the list is Cameo. It is a camera app which is made to take all the perfect shots that you need. The USP is live filter. So whenever you want to take a picture in a particular filter, you only have to swipe your finger from right to left. The filters come real time and you're able to see how will a picture look like in that particular filter. The interface works really well. It is very smooth. They have really uncluttered the whole picture taking experience. Instead of taking a picture and then putting effects later, it does all the work in the reverse mode. They have many templates for the collages. These days collages are flooding the net, so everyone is taking a collage of two or three or four boxes. What this does is you first pick a template of a particular collage and then take two or three or four photographs based on that template. This avoids so much hassle at the end of picking and choosing and resizing the images and fitting them in the boxes that you have chosen. So I really like that particular feature. Apart from that, they have some other very interesting styles of collages. I tried my hands on two or three and they are really nice. Apart from that, they have features of tagging instantly and all that. The next app on the list is Alami. This is for all the deep sleepers like me who really need aggressive motivation in the morning to get up. This particular app will let you set an alarm, and the kind of method by which you can be woken up in the morning is really amazing. So I'll just show an example here. I'm setting an alarm of 1 minute from now, and I have to shake my phone 5 times. I just set that for 5 times, and only then the alarm will go off. That is really amazing. So here it goes, and I have to shake it one, two, three, four, and five. And unless I do that, the alarm will not go off. So this will really wake me up in the morning when I have to go to the gym or catch on an important meeting. Apart from shaking it, you can solve a math problem in the morning. As soon as you wake up or open your eye, you can take a particular picture. You can set a barcode, and you have to click picture of that particular barcode in the morning, and only then the alarm will go off. So all these features I really like that, and that is the main USP of this app. And apart from that, everything else is just plain Jane. I know that all the Android users have been waiting for this particular app to come on Android. This is MSQRD, the face swapping app, and I'm just trying my hands on this. I don't have anyone else right now to test the dual face swapping. I'm testing one other template, and this is really, really cool. What I like most about this particular app is that the sensitivity is really, really high. As you can see, the mustache on my face, it adapts as per my facial expressions. So as you can see, as I open my mouth and if I make any different facial expressions, the mustache, eyes, nose, everything else also adapts very, very quickly. I'll show that particular feature once again, so have a look. So just have a look at the mustache. It will adapt to my facial expression. It will extend, it will come down, it will even recognize my fingers touching it. That is really amazing, guys. So I don't know where technology is heading to, but I'm really liking it. And this is it. There's nothing else in this app. From all that, let's jump to a game. This is a very addictive game called Color Switch. You must have played similar game in the past where you have to click on a ball and make it jump upwards. But this time, the task is difficult. You have to also take care of what grids you pass, and these are color coded. So your ball is of one color and it changes color after every set interval of time. After it crosses a checkpoint, and you can only cross hurdles if you are of the same color. So I'm really liking it. There's nothing very difficult in this. You don't have to apply any strategy. You just have to keep your eye open and be very attentive, and your fingers have to be very quick, or your mind has to be very quick too. Very simple, very basic. The next tab on the charts is Volcram. So after much buzz about minimal wallpapers, people I think are again coming back to the real photographs because they are so amazing. This particular app, if you are really a good photograph lover, come to this app, and the kind of images you'll find here, these are amazing. I've been hooked to this particular app and I'm loving the kind of wallpapers this app is providing. The interface is very simple. You just see the images. If you like anything, just click on one button, very similar to all the other apps also, and in just click of one button your wallpaper would be set. So here you go, I just set a wallpaper. It looks really amazing. All the wallpapers are full HD, a kind of mandate these days. Next app is again a very addictive app that I've been hooked to since a week now. This is called 360 degree. So as the name suggests, you have to take checkpoints. You have to cross checkpoints, and you have to take these points, brownie points. But you have to rotate this clock 360 degree with. You can use both your fingers, and it can go anti-clockwise and clockwise. There are hurdles in between. You don't have to touch them or else you are dead. So I've been just spending my time whenever I have some free time. This is one app that takes up very less space, almost no RAM usage and all, and very addictive. So this is a game that you can have on your phone now. Now, Doze is a very important app that you should definitely have on your, especially Android phones and even on the iPhones. I would say, it would make sure that whenever the screen is off, all the applications they do not get data from the net at the back end. So this really does save power. It has an aggressive mode. It will not even allow apps to access the network or the net at the background. If you really want to go full throttle and save all the power, go the aggressive mode. And all the other apps are all the other features are basic, self-explanatory. Switching it on and off is really easy. You just have to click one button and it will turn on and off. So in the age of all the apps consuming so much of power in your phone, your battery gets drained, this is a must have app. Pictures Queue is a screen locker app. I'll just turn this on and show you real time what this does. It is very beautiful. I'll just show you. So have a look. My screen unlocked screen has turned into a very beautiful wallpaper. It has uncluttered everything on my phone. So all the important things that I want to see at the first glance, this puts everything on my one or two scrolls of the unlock screens. I just want to have a look at the latest headlines. I can do that. Select subcategories. The wallpaper is really interesting. All the notifications come very nicely on the top right bar. I can slide them off and make them red. A small button on the right hand side gives the information about the wallpaper that has been set. I can select more wallpaper, see what more are in the gallery, and set whatever I like. I really like this app, and you should definitely have some kind of screen locker, which will definitely make your will uplift your mood any time of the day. So that is the whole purpose of this app, and it pretty much does that. Really nice. The next app we are going to cover is called Finger. It is a gesture based app. So, if you want to play some shortcuts based on gestures, just download this app. A small icon on the left hand side will open a panel. You draw anything, let's say on F, it opens Facebook. When I type M, it opens Google Maps because I've set it at the backend. I'll just go into the settings now. These are the shortcuts that I've placed right now, and there are some other shortcuts too. So for all these features you can set some gestures, some handwritten notes, very easy. So on just one click of a button, let's say just G, it will open immediately the Gmail that I've set at the back end. Really nice app, and it definitely fastens my work. The next app is called YouFood. It is almost similar to Instagram, but it only talks about food. So if you're a foodie or a chef or a food blogger, this is the app to be. You definitely have to have an account here because everyone here talks, gossips, writes comments, and they like everything related to food. So I really like this because if you need to have a fan following, and if you really follow food and are very enthusiastic about different kinds of recipes and all, so just come here, have an account, follow people, put up recipes, people will follow you. You can put your comments, understand new things, learn new things. Really nice. And that's all, guys. This is the listing that I have for top 10 apps for this month. Hope you like it. Please do like, comment, share down below. Thank you so much.